All right, so you need a logo, but you don't want to spend hundreds on a designer, right? Yeah, good news. In 2026, you can create clean, professional logos yourself using Canva. And honestly, it's way easier than most people think. Let's go step by step. First, open Canva and search for logo. You'll see ready-made templates sized perfectly, so you don't have to worry about dimensions. Now, choose a template. Go for something clean and minimal. Avoid anything too busy, because the best logos are simple and easy to recognize. Next, replace the text with your brand name. Make sure it's clear, readable, and balanced. Fonts matter more than you think. Bold fonts feel strong and modern. Script fonts feel elegant. And simple fonts feel clean and professional. Pick one that matches your brand style. Now add an icon or symbol if needed. Search in Canva's Elements library and choose something that represents your brand, but don't overdo it. Colors define your brand identity. Stick to 2 or 3 colors max. High contrast works best, especially for visibility. Here's where you level up your design. Spacing. Make sure everything is aligned, balanced, and not too crowded. Small adjustments make a big difference. If you're stuck, Canva's AI tools can generate logo ideas or elements for you. Just type what you want and refine the results. Before exporting, test your logo. Zoom out, check if it's readable, and imagine it on different backgrounds. If it still looks good, you're on the right track. Finally, download your logo. Use PNG with transparent background for flexibility. That way, you can use it anywhere. So yeah, that's how you create a logo in Canva from start to finish. Simple, clear, and consistent. That's what makes a logo work. Don't overcomplicate it. Just make it memorable.